Hello guys, still on the review tab. I would like us talk about a few things that we have not yet covered. For example, we talked about adding something to custom dictionary, and we have not yet done that. So let us write a name of a person. For example, Kirui. We can have Tino. We can have Kimani, etc. Now, these names, for example, this one has been underlined because it is a misspelled word in English. So it is not an English word, that is why it is underlined. So what do? We right click on it, we add to custom dictionary. After adding to custom dictionary, we realize it is no longer having the line. So we even another time ukiandika, it won't have the line because it is now an English word to this document of yours. So we can do the same to the word Otieno, add to custom dictionary. So any other time you are writing it, it's not it should not. So we had written Otieno instead of Otieno. So here tukiandika the way it was, it won't have a problem. But if we write it in a different way, it will be underlined as a poorly spelled word. So tunaweza fanya hivyo, tuongeze pia Otieno kwa custom dictionary, add to dictionary, so that we can have the words written well. That is one. That is it about custom dictionary. We have another thing called thesaurus. Thesaurus is like an interface where we get synonyms to a word that is not well understood. For example, you take it as a vocabulary on your side and you don't want it to be a problem to your audience, so you give simpler words that will be understood by your audience. For example, let us use this word coordinated, and then we click on thesaurus so that it can give us different words that means the same as coordinated. However, you should check whether the word is matching the context in which you are explaining, because yes, it has different meanings, but the context might be changed because of your choice of words. So so you should read the sentence. Themes and styles also help keep your document, so you can use something like organized, because ukiangalia hii organized is matching. So you click on the drop down and then you insert. So the word coordinated has been replaced with organized. So you can check another word for another word. For example, let us choose these galleries. Then we go to the thesaurus again, and then you can check for the meanings here and choose the one that matches your context. So click insert to choose the element you want from the different galleries. So let us choose arcades and then choose insert. So the word has been replaced. So that is how you use the thesaurus. The other thing is using something called tracking changes. So you track changes to a document. For example, we have this document. Any change we make, for example, tunakuja hapa tunatoa hiyo, inakuwa imeonekana, the change has been noticed. inakuonyesha what have we done to the so any change that has been done inakuonyesha hii imekuwa deleted, hii word ingine hapa imekuwa deleted, hii ingine hapa imekuwa added, etc. So that is how you track changes to a document that you would like to have it maybe for you, a document that you wouldn't want changes done, you wouldn't want anything tampered with. No, we also have this accept or reject. Accept what? The first change where the cursor is. Accept and move to next. Maybe you can choose even reject and move to next. Reject the change or accept the change. Accept this change, etc. Tunaendelea hivyo hivyo. So that is the work of that. So the next thing is restrict editing. Restrict this document from being edited by someone. So when you click on restrict editing, a restrict editing pane appears on your right hand side. So we say allow this type of editing. What do we mean? It should be no changes, let the document be a read only. So and then after saying that, you come here and say yes, start enforcing protection. So you will protect the document using a password, and remember to add a password that you'll be able to remember. So let me use someone's name so that I'll be able to remember. Now naambiwa retype the document so that we kumbuke. So password and then okay. Now if you want, for example, to do changes, inakata, najaribu kutype, najaribu kuselect hii, ni select and then I delete, haikubali. Why? I'm not the owner of the document. It is a read only document, a read only document. So a read only document, you only read and not edit. So ukifunga hivyo uache kwa desktop, you know you have protected your document. No, it is only you who can stop the protection, because you know the password you protected with. So you want to stop the protection, so you stop protection there and you add the password that you added to protect, and then you say okay. So now your document can be edited. Naweza toa hiyo, naweza kuja hapa niongeze an o etc. So that is it about restricting editing. It is very important in data entry so that you can protect your documents and you can keep your document having confidentiality and integrity.